so Allah hulaka jode billahi wallahi Hamadi kadi o foti hande akay maro nana pulaar kay walla sikkoye maro wonnano pulaar walla
What a friend looks like.
la ilaha illallah addi ko Hamadi wawi ɗiɗo langaji ɗiɗi anglais pulaar ko ɗi tan mbawmi what's your name my girl
My name is Hermine.
mashallah your name is good is beautiful her name yes it's like my mother name biyo jankuriɗo wodani jeddowo ala
And you, what is your name?
my name is Hamadi my name is beautiful yes
No, your name is not beautiful.
hot o jaddi ɓernde jogen tan mboɗo montuma mboɗo wima your name is beautiful ana wiyam my name is not beautiful
I don't think a person should be given a sign name.
an noon pullo foti wiyata ko aɗa yiyannallan an noon sa rentaki joni joni gojjen ɗo
Speak English so people can understand each other.
min anglais am fawi tan de to ɓerdam nde ne weeli so ɓerdam mbe mi metti mi halta anglais de
You don't want people to understand each other.
anglais ji ma mayɗi wala har pannataɗi I don't wi anglais
You used to speak English, now say you understand.
anglais ma ɓam mi explicani I am no speak english no speak
I respect you and I love you, but you don't understand anything.
yes I love you min hooram I love you I am speak english très bien I love you rien kay tout anglais I am speak way
You understand my words now since you didn't understand them before.
no joni I understand gillani mi famano kalta mais maintenant I understand okay
Okay, come to our house and I will make you a delicious dinner.
oro was jangol metti ɗo joni mboɗen holko haali ko waɗi fayida komi anda yes okay ɗo okay tan lelloromi ha weeta
Now let's go. Don't be late because it's far.
okay let's go ndeysan manda let's go ko minen jahar manda ko min yahar walla kanko yahar ko ɗum yurmini
I think you misunderstood again because the answer is not regulated.
Hamadi dal mbaɗen tan ala sens oɗo ko haalata komin noggi famodirde mi addani téléphone am woni saami waɗa traduire o pe Hamadi waɗi ni yahaji mum